Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to set up filters and segments using the Kimberlite Krystal Software application. In this video, we'll be using version 3.0.0 of the software. However, if you have a newer version, this should still apply the same way. Now, when data sets are sent out from Kimberlite, they should come preloaded with various filters. This can include, but not be limited to, the addition of the data, and company type of interviewing company. However, in this data set, we are missing region of operation. So what we're going to do is we're going to create it by going down to the bottom right-hand corner and select Create Filters and Segments. The dialog box that opens up will give you two primary options for filter sets. One is to select an existing filter set that you can edit, such as company type, or the ability to create a new filter set. Today we're going to create a new filter set that looks at North American LAN. Now, in order to populate this filter set, we'll have to go to the left side of the screen where we'll see information such as respondent information, company, location, company type, and geographic region. Since we're only looking at LAN, we'll go ahead and select LAN and select the various regions we'd like to include in our filter set. These can be dragged over one at a time, or you can select multiple and drag them over together. If you drag over multiple, you will be prompted to either group them or keep them separate. In this case, we're going to keep them separate. However, if you were to group them, this would allow you to name them and when the filter is created, you'd be able to select a group of regions as opposed to having to select each one individually. If you do not want that filter, you can simply click Remove and it will remove itself. Now, once your filter has been set up, you need to clone it to a segment group. You can do that by selecting Clone to Segment Group right below the filter configuration name. Close the dialog box, and your filter has been set up. When in the filter, you can either select multiple, showing multiple regions that would apply to whatever you're looking to evaluate, or you can select single and scroll through them one at a time. Now, if we select segments right above, we'll be able to view what that filter looks like as cloned to a segment. Now, here we have multiple market segments that have come pre-populated, including product line, category, company type, as well as another geographic region. And our brand new filter set, North American LAN. To visualize what these segments look like, select Value Map on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see, in this case, a number of the larger suppliers and how they are valued based on their pricing versus their performance. Now, the segments will be shown once you have hovered over one of the individual suppliers, such as Schlumberger. Here you'll see that the North American LAN market varies greatly for performance and cost value. You can do the same thing for Baker Hughes, Halliburton, and Weatherford. If you'd like to freeze this frame, simply select Value Map by Segment, select the supplier you would like to evaluate, and the segment will be populated without having to hover over the supplier. You can visualize more than one supplier at a time. However, just visualizing one might be better for you. You can change your segments. And in the event that there are too many segments on one map, Hovering over a single dot will allow you to read just the text that applies to it. This might be helpful when you have many different suppliers on the screen. If you'd like to delete a segment group, you can select the X in the top right-hand corner. You'll be prompted. Go ahead and select OK. And the same applies to filters. If you have any questions about how to set up a filter or to set up a segment, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at software@kimberliteresearch.com or give us a call at 281-771-3800. Again, that phone number is 281-771-3800. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.